Today we are here to ask one simple question. Can ChatGPT predict the price of Bitcoin for the month of April? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency each month. Then the following month we take a look, see if they were right or see if they were wrong. And one last thing before we get to the question. I want to wish everyone a very happy and blessed Easter today, and I hope you all have a great time with your family. With that being said, let's get to the question. Hey ChatGPT, we are doing the guessing game again, and this time it's for Bitcoin. We are guessing the price of Bitcoin for April 2026. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at around $66,913. Look back at BTC's historical performance in April since it first launched. Has April usually been a positive or negative month for Bitcoin? Give me 3 guesses for April 2026. A bullish, a bearish, and an official guess. Keep the ranges tight with close, focused guesses. I want one exact price and a small range for each. No explanation needed, just hit me with the results. Alright, and we officially have our answer, and it looks like April tends to be a positive month for Bitcoin, so maybe this month we'll see a little bit of green, a little bit of positivity in the market. But let's take a look at these guesses now. The bullish guess, 74,800. The range, 72,900 to 76,500. The bearish guess, 61,200. Range, 59,800 to 62,800. The official guess, this is the guess that matters. This is the guess that it will be ranked off of. Will ChatGPT be right or wrong is all based off of this one right here, which is 69,700. The range, 67,900 to 71,400. So there you have it, guys, the official guess of ChatGPT. Where do you think we are going to land in the month of April? Do you agree with the bullish, the bearish, the official guess? Do you think we're going to be somewhere else? Maybe back to $3,000? Maybe to $1 million at the end of April? Let me know in the comment section below. Kind of curious. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you have a blessed day. Peace.
Futures here, no turning back. Digital coins in a virtual pack. Decentralized, we'll take the ride. No more chains, we're wild inside. Bitcoin rising, walls are crashing. Freedom's calling, money's flashing. You don't break it now.